Your company website is okay, but it doesn't really reflect what your company is all about today. We hear this all the time. Companies change, companies adapt. And if your site was built 2 years ago, 3 years ago, or even more, it's possible that your mission, your vision, your strategy is different today than it was when your website was built. And it's not as easy as just changing the text content. You need an overhaul. You need us to come in and redesign, redevelop, restructure, change the content, do everything. Because guess what? It's not 2012. It's not optional to have a really awesome website that represents your company. You need to have this. It's 2020. Let's do this. Let's overhaul and let's make your website awesome with FINSWEET. I'm Webflow Joe. Send us a message at FINSWEET. I'll pitch the hell out of you.